The last week of fall brings my favorite festival of the whole game. Let's take a look at a couple of the special orders. Doing the community cleanup order for Linus is very easy, especially when you are fishing on level 100 of the mines. Once you place the trash in the dumpster, you will get a small reward. The next day, you will get the fiber seed recipe in the mail from Linus. Fiber seeds can be grown in all seasons and don't need watered. Don't forget to get your tickets and turn them into the ticket machine for prizes. Since I finally have a good luck day and my pickaxe upgraded to gold, I am going to venture to Calico Desert if Pam ever decides to show up for work. While here, you can forage for cactus fruit and coconuts, which makes great gifts for Linus. This is also the place to catch a sandfish for the bundles. Stop in at the oasis to visit the Rose of the Valley, Sandy. Here, you can buy starfruit seeds and also beet seeds that can be turned into sugar. Go into the mines with some explosives and a couple of staircases if you can. The lower you go, the more iridium ore you will find. Do not jump in a shaft if you are low on health. Going down 8 floors or more at once will cause you damage. You can always craft bombs depending on the ore you are getting while mining. Once you get the fishing bundles complete, you will get a cutscene from Willy where the glittering boulder was. He will give you a copper pan that is used to pan for ore in the water and can also be upgraded. After donating 60 items to the museum, Gunther will bring you a rusty old key that can be used to open the sewers. I have been trying to get the materials to build a stable. It takes 100 hardwood to build. The stable comes with a rideable horse that can increase your walking speed. You can gather hardwood from mahogany seeds you have planted, and you can also get 12 hardwood each day in the secret woods. On the evening of the 27th, the Spirits Eve Festival is held in town. Here, you can get one of the rare crows and your own jack-o'-lantern recipe. Be sure to talk to the villagers for some interesting dialogue. Going through the maze is always fun. You will find a golden pumpkin at the end, which is also a universally loved gift. Be sure to put your rare crow exactly where she belongs. On this night, during the shipping screen, you can click on the moon. If you keep clicking, you will eventually get an angry man on the moon, who I am sure is wondering why you disturbed him. Lava eel bait will have a chance to be sold in the fall and winter at Willy's shop. Be sure to grab it while you can. Aged roe brings in quite a bit of gold depending on what roe you are putting in the preserve jars. On the last day of fall, go to Pierre's and stock up on all of the different fall seeds in case you need them for later. If you enjoyed the Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.